Hi, my name is Leah.
And I'm Sophia. And this is the Catskill Summer Media Camp Cat Chat.
How many movies have you produced?
We have 3 movies we are producing.
I'm writing another script now, and I'm in one movie and I've produced one.
I'm so excited to have at least one film in the festival.
I'm finishing my final edit today, and hopefully it will make the film festival as well.
Creating is so much fun.
The Cat Show on Catskill attracted many people to our village to see the creative artwork of our community. Here's Isabella, Sloan, Sophia, and Quinn with the report.
Hi, I'm Isabella. Hi, I'm Sloan. Hi, I'm Sophia. Hi, I'm Quinn. Let's take a tour of the cats on Main Street. What do you think about the cats in Catskill?
I think the cats bring a lot of people here to walk up and down the streets. They use the restaurants. They buy merchandise on the street. They take pictures. It brings a lot more activity to Main Street, which I think is a great thing.
I think it's great. It brings life and entertainment to Main Street and bring all the people we can here.
I love them, and I was just saying yesterday how many people it's bringing into the area, and I think it's giving us a really great activity to do outside during this pandemic. I think it's a wonderful idea.
I think it adds a lot of imagination so people have things to look at.
I think it's wonderful. I think it's caught on and people come down, they're taking pictures of the cats all the time.
It represents the community.
What's your favorite cat?
Of course, the police cat across the street, that would be my favorite cat.
I have a lot of favorite cats on Main Street, and I think the people who do them do a wonderful job.
You know, every year I have such a hard time picking out which is my favorite cat, which one. I do like the one in front of Shook Insurance. She always does that really nice mosaic. The Doney family has done a wonderful job too, and I forget which cats there are, but there's a couple of them.
My favorite cat is probably the Perlates cat.
I would have to say the Minnie Mouse cat.
Why?
Well, we love Minnie Mouse, don't we?
Well, my favorite cat would be this one right over here, the cat in the shower. Because I think it's funny that a cat would be in the shower.
I love going around Catskill to see all the cats. Thank you for the report.
The Greene County Youth Fair opens today and runs through Sunday. What a fun event for all of us to attend.
The weather looks to be improving next week. Here's Madison with the weather report.
Hi, my name is Madison Burke with the News Weather Report. Just like today, Friday would be partly cloudy with a high of 78 degrees. Low would be 57 degrees. The winds would be at 7 miles per hour. Saturday will also be partly cloudy. There's 10% chance of rain. Sunday will be a major change. Please be aware of the hazy air in the sky. Due to forest fires on the west coast, we should fix that. I'm Madison Burke.
I'm so glad to finally have some great weather.
Our Media Camp Film Festival will be virtual this summer. It will premiere on July 29th and at 7 p.m. on our Catskill Media YouTube page. A must-see event to experience films produced by the filmmakers of tomorrow.
Here's another introduction to our new staff joining us at Catskill. Our new high school vice principal. Here's Jameson and Kellen with the report.
What is your name and how do you spell it? Stacy. My last name is Connors.
What is your job title?
I am the assistant principal at the elementary school.
Where are you from?
I live in Niskayuna.
What school district did you work at before Catskill?
I worked for 11 years at Shellmont Middle School. I started at the elementary school and then I went to the middle school, and I was at the middle school for 11 years.
Why did you decide to become assistant principal?
So as a teacher, you only get to work with kids in your classroom, right? Like you have one teacher every year, and I wanted to be able to work with all the kids in the building. Becoming an assistant principal was a decision that I made so that I could work with more kids.
What is your favorite thing about being an assistant principal?
That I get to go into all the classrooms. I can go into a kindergarten classroom, I can go into a 4th grade classroom, and I'll be able to go to the middle school and the high school to see all of the students at Catskill.
What do you like most about Catskill so far?
You know, I love the community. My favorite thing is trying to spot all the cats around town. I liked stopping at Stewart's the other day as soon as I got off the thruway, and there was a cat right there at Stewart's.
What advice would you give a Catskill student?
I think there's lots of advice, but probably the most important piece of advice that I would give to a Catskill student would be to make sure that you show up to school ready to learn and have fun.
What kind of skills do you bring to the school district?
So something I'm really excited to be bringing to Catskill is just my passion for celebrating. I think it's so important to celebrate kids, to celebrate teachers, and to celebrate as a whole community. So when we get everybody involved, everybody is part of the learning process for you guys as kids.
Thank you, Mrs. Connor, for being here.
You bet, Kellen.
This is Kellen reporting for the Summer Cat Chat.
So exciting to meet our new building leadership.
Well, that's for this week's Cat Chat.
Thanks for watching.